What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder unlocked and opened if the battery in the Pathfinder dies or if the battery in our key fob dies. So in either one of those scenarios, the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And then we're going to use this emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So we'll turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. And then you can pop the hood and charge or change your battery, whatever you need to do. If you need to know how to start your Pathfinder with a dead key fob, we've covered that in another video, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.